Ever wondered how some ladies stay smelling fresh all the time? Even in the middle of summer heat? Even after a workout? Yes! Even when they're sweating, their sweat would feel fragrant too. Wild, isn't it? What's the secret? Assalamu alaikum ladies, I am Umar, and I'm here to tell you the secret today, inshaAllah. The secret is in layering. And let me tell you exactly how to do it. It is important to do them in order. And each step is important. Step 1. While showering, use body gels or soaps with scents you love. Go with natural soaps if you can. They are healthier for your skin. Step 2. Right after showering, apply a deodorant. But this is important. Get the one that doesn't block perspiration, because blocking sweat is unhealthy. You need a deodorant that neutralizes odor, not one that traps toxins inside you. I've also heard some ladies using alum stone in place of an actual deodorant. I've never done that myself, but if any of you have, please let us know in the comments how was your experience with it. So that's your second layer. Your second defense against unpleasant odors. Think of it like armor. Each step adds another shield, so nothing can break through. Step 3. Apply essential oils to your wrists, behind the neck, behind the ears, between and under the breasts, armpits, inside your elbows, even your inner thighs. This is where the magic happens, because when you sweat, instead of stinking, your scent actually blooms stronger. Sounds unbelievable, right? But remember, always shower right after any sweaty activity. Sweat itself isn't the enemy. It is the bacteria that causes odor. And if you skip this step, no perfume in the world will save you. You know what would make your shower and fragrance routine much easier? If you had a hamper or a container that contained all of your essential items in one place. So right after the shower, you're not scrambling for things. You have them all in one place, all ready for you to use. And this container should contain your deodorant, your essential oils, your after shower moisturizer, everything in one place, ready for you to use. Ladies, let me give you a bonus tip for when you can't shower. Honestly, if you only remember one thing from this video, let it be this. It can rescue you in the most awkward situations. First of all, you don't always need to have a full shower with wet hair. You can do a quick rinse in the bathtub using a shower cap or keep your hair dry. But even if that's not possible, I've got you. Ready? Because this tip will make your life so much easier. No shower, no bathtub, and still you'll smell like you just stepped out of one, inshaAllah. Here it is. Master the quick rinse. What is the quick rinse? Honestly, it takes less than 2 minutes, and you can do it anywhere. Wash your armpits and your chest, or any sweaty areas in your body in the sink, just like you would wash during wudu. Then wipe with a towel. And there you have it, fresh, clean, and ready to do your layering again. Nobody will ever know you didn't shower. Isn't that so easy? And the best part? You can do this multiple times a day if needed. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and drop a comment below with your favorite freshness tip. I'd love to hear what works for you.